Sorry. Well, anyway, this is a pretty nice ending to a beautiful weekend. Had a great time with Jesse, getting out and doing the stuff we wanted to do, and just thought I'd come out here and have a quiet time, watch the sunset and the ducks swimming and diving under the water. It's one of my favorite things to watch in the evening out here. So anyway, I thought I'd share it with you guys and just take a moment to thank everybody again for all the support and all the likes and the shares and the comments and everything that you guys do, and everything extra special that you do for Jesse, and that really means a lot. So thank you, everybody. And I figure right around 125 subscribers we're gonna do a giveaway, and I'm gonna share some nice stuff with you guys and just show the appreciation for everything you've done. Isn't that nice? Some cormorants are coming right in here and right up here in front, putting on a show for us as I'm talking to you. Anyway, there's tonight's sunset with the ducks, the seagulls, and the cormorants. Thanks again, everybody, for all that you do and all that you've done to help. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.